Welcome back, guys. So let's do a brief technical analysis. Let's come to our coin market cap. We've been using this for a while now. So let's come to that same coin market cap to do our technical analysis. That's how powerful this tool is. So this is the tool you need for everything you need to do. When you check the rank of coins, you see the SRP we did not quite long. You see it at 7th, and all we have to do is to look into it. As you can see, this is price. This is the current price. This is 1 hour ago price. This is 24 hours price. Like, this is the increase percentage, but in 7 days this has reduced. There was a downward trend in 7 days, and we've done the market cap, we've done the circulating supply. So what we have to do here, you see the charts. So what we have to do, this is the charts downward trends. We have to click into SRP to carry out our technical analysis. We've seen some price historical data, and all we have to do is to check this out. We have the chart here. This is an upward trend. We have a chart here, and this chart now, all we have to do is to activate the candlestick. Here is your candlestick. You see, this is a chart, this is a line chart. We have to switch it to candlestick, and once we do that, you'll see a candlestick right here. But this is for 1 day movement. As you can see, you can change it to 7 days, and you can change it to 1 month, you can change it to 1 year. This will be your years, and this will be your days. So let's use 1 day. Let's use 1 day to carry out a technical analysis. That will be our timeline. And looking at it now, all you have to do is to zoom in. You can zoom into the candlestick. We have the open, we have the close, and you see all the data you need to know. All you have to do is to click on it. Each timeline, you see 8 a.m, you see 12 p.m, you see 4 p.m. You have to check each timeline. This is it right here, 8 a.m. right here. You see it right here. At 8 a.m, the open price was 0.4664, and the high as at that time is 0.4672. Then the low is 0.4657. Then the close, it closes at 0.467. Change at, as you can see from here, it closes at 0.47, and the change was 0.51 percentage. Then the volume traded was $85.9 million traded. So that's something about you charting. Just look at this chart and try to understand what this chart is, how you can understand your candlestick with the high and low trend I showed you the other time. I would put a note under it in the next lesson, but right now this is how to activate your candlestick, and you can check more historical data. We have a whole lot of things you can check, and right here you can check about of the coin. There are news about the coins, and you've done all the fundamental analysis we needed doing. You can check the white paper for more analysis. There are white paper, just look for a white paper for more analysis. Then you see more analysis on Ripple, and carrying out a technical analysis is as simple as this. Then you see the spot, you see different spot trading. SRP/USDT is the trading pair, and you see the price. But all you need to do majorly to understand this candlestick, just understand the candlestick. As you can see, at 6 a.m this opens at 0.461, and the highest got to at that time is 0.4691, and the lowest it got is 0.4667. Then it closes at that same time, it closes at 0.4667. Then the change was a downtrend, was bearish, which is 0.51%, but the volume traded was $856.83 million. The volume traded between this time frame, and you can check for 7 days. And when you check for 7 days, you see a whole lot, each day having their candlestick. That will be from the very first day to this day. This was 24th of June. So when you check that, you see the date right here. You see the date 06/2024 at 4 a.m. You see what the open price is, you see what the highest it was, you see what the lowest it was, and you see the closing price. Then you see the change. Then you can just check trading view, and once you check trading view, you see more data on your technical analysis, and you see the whole charts very well. As you can see it right here, you see the whole charts, candles, and you see indicators right here. You can choose your indicators from here. You can say 24-hour volume. You can check a whole lot of indicators right here. If you need to know more about this, you need to take a course on technical analysis like I've mentioned, so you can understand this chart very well. But as a beginner, I don't want to go too deep into technical analysis so it does not get difficult. You can change your days right here. You can say for 1 week, you can say for 6 months, you can check your range, you can do a whole lot of things from here. So if you want to learn more about technical analysis, look for courses on technical analysis. But as a long time investor, you don't need too much technical analysis. All you need is to know how valuable a coin is and invest in it. Then you can take a screenshot from here. If you need a screenshot for your analysis, you can take it from here, and you can decide to zoom whatever it is right here. You can zoom whatever it is, and you see your candlesticks very well. So it's as simple as that. You do a whole lot of analysis and you use this trading view to do that. For now, we've spoken about technical analysis and you've seen how to go about it. This is majorly for short-time traders. They would really need this. And checking the white paper, you need to check the white paper for Ripple so you can understand the offerings of Ripples. This would be used for the whole analysis. You can use it for fundamental analysis, you can use it for technical analysis, you can use it for sentimental analysis, and that's all about this technical analysis. Do more research, do your research, which is DYOR. Anywhere you see DYOR, it means do your research. It's very, very important for you to do your research and know if you have to invest in a coin or not. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.